Hello guys, it's First Man. Today we're gonna be doing some tier list. Let's go with best football clubs that I already did that one. Yeah, I did. And it's a big list. Nothing in detail? No. Let's see. What is the today football legends and I'll get the spot. I'll try them now. I already did that one. Okay, yeah, I already did that. I think I haven't really yet. Football teams like or not? Oh, I guess I have used that. Okay, no one to this. Today we are gonna be doing. No, it's actually do some tier lists again, cause. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do it some again because that's fine. I just know where to take stuff out, like this. Yeah, I can't do this today. So we're gonna figure out a way to do this because permanent comes when I do this. Yeah, I did. Well, this don't really good still this. Yeah, I already do. S. I have to do a little bit of fixing and then we can get this video started. A. C. Gonna do D and E/F. E// F. Okay, so let's do this now. E/F. A. E/F. 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 I hate Leverkusen so much. And this is based on my opinion. It's who I hate now. I don't. It was in Spanish a few minutes ago. It was in Spanish like a few minutes ago, but I traded it. Put it in C. E/F. E/F. Oh wait, I have a coffee spill. Let's put this beater. So there's Juventus. So it is lot. No, let's go in. Let's go in detail. UB. I click A because I think the logo's cool. G P S B S E/F here. B B S C. Yeah, let's go with a ID. Another B tier, dude. Good. And Real Madrid is going in about S put in the B again. C, and let's put them in D. Exponent, no, D. And exponent, we're gonna put this in C. And now, I hate spurs, that's a fact. Okay, let's put here, and here, and Wolfsburg. What was the score against the Lucas? Let's put this back for there it is. We have a bit of checking to do. That happened, so. And teacher. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. There's been a little bit of mistakes, but with another video I'm gonna upload, and since it's about 12 days to the free trip, I packed my suitcase, ready to go, and it's gonna be here 12 days. And we're gonna do it on the 20th, and we're gonna be away for 6 days, not 7. So you guys are gonna ask where I went or what I did. I will answer those questions. Goodbye.